Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Vite versus React. Vite is a next-generation front-end tooling that significantly enhances the development experience, acting as a build tool. React, on the other hand, is a powerful JavaScript library specifically designed for building user interfaces. While React focuses on the UI layer, Vite provides the infrastructure for rapid development, leveraging native ES modules for incredibly fast hot module replacement and cold starts. Vite truly shines in its development experience, offering incredibly fast cold start times, often under 1 second, and nearly instantaneous hot module replacement. This means less waiting and more coding. In contrast, the development experience for React applications can vary significantly, depending on the underlying build tool. Traditional setups, perhaps using older bundlers, might lead to slower startup times and less responsive HMR, impacting developer productivity. When it comes to production, Vite utilizes rollup for bundling, which is renowned for generating highly optimized and efficient output. This ensures that your React applications, when built with Vite, benefit from smaller bundle sizes and faster loading times for end users. React applications, regardless of the build tool, always aim for lean and performant production builds, and Vite's modern approach significantly contributes to achieving this crucial goal. Vite is a versatile tool, supporting not just React, but also other popular frameworks like Vue and Svelte, making it a flexible choice for many projects. React, with its vast and mature ecosystem, offers an extensive array of libraries and community support. By combining Vite with React, developers can leverage React's powerful UI capabilities alongside Vite's lightning-fast development server and optimized build process, creating a truly efficient workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.